Information about timber market in Philippines. The timber market in the Philippines has been subject to various regulatory changes over the years due to concerns about deforestation and environmental sustainability. In 2010, the government imposed a nationwide logging ban on natural forests to address the rapid depletion of forest resources. As a result, the timber industry in the Philippines has shifted towards plantation forestry and the use of imported timber. The government has encouraged the development of sustainable plantation forestry, which involves growing trees specifically for timber production. However, the lack of available land for planting new trees and the lengthy time required for trees to mature has hindered the growth of the plantation forestry sector. The Philippines still imports a significant amount of timber, with most of it coming from Malaysia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. The demand for timber in the country remains high, particularly for construction and furniture making. The price of timber in the Philippines is influenced by various factors, including global market trends, supply and demand, and government regulations. The government has established regulations on the import and export of timber products to prevent the trade of illegally sourced timber. The Forest Management Bureau of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources oversees the implementation of these regulations. Overall, the timber market in the Philippines is characterized by a growing focus on sustainability and the use of imported timber, while the demand for timber products remains strong.